I don't think y'all can hear me because in here is really quiet and I am scared to talk. But I am in the international airport in Barbados. We got our checks in and everything, and we're just waiting for the guys to let me in, and then we just wait longer to get onto the plane and stuff. But this is our first trip by ourselves, basically, without any adults. We is the adults now, so we actually gotta do everything ourselves. Like, my parents was not even bothered. We only had to do everything. And it was so stressful. But we are professionally chatting, which means goodness. And we're just waiting on. And for y'all that don't know, this is Aaliyah that's going on a trip with me. Say hi. Right, so guys, we are in Trinidad and we went to churches to get something to eat. It is currently 7:50 and this is basically breakfast, so, and a review because we know what it is. But the way how the place is, you know, so we in a whole different restaurant eating the hypocrites. Alright guys, so we now get confirmation to a hotel that we booking into for the day till 10 o'clock tonight because y'all girls can't hang. I just eat. I get so tired. So we're getting to sleep, to be honest. We got to get some sleep. And then probably get up and go shopping or something. But for right now, we can't sleep. That's the plan for now. This one is so, ow, so heavy. I don't even know. So, I don't know. So, come on, you can see our 1 day stay hotel room. I mean, sorry, bathroom was right here. So, come on. Mirror. Little situation. I don't know what it is. Toilet. Yeah. It does the job. Shower. And yeah, basically. Then you come in here. We have our king size bed. We have towels. We have a lamp. We have AC that is freezing. Like, in here is so cold. We literally turn off the AC and it's freezing. And a huge mirror, obviously, so y'all will be seeing some pictures. And a TV, which I don't know what's turn on. A mini fridge. I don't know what's in here, but let's try and see. Not a damn chair. The mini fridge has it, not a damn thing. And our view is to a pool, which I'm gonna try to convince Aaliyah to live in it. And I think that's a hot tub over there, a hot spa, I was call it. Then I got a bar with the in the pool, which is so cool and stuff. Yeah. This is so nice. And a little jacuzzi, make question out little. So yes, we basically get this room so we can sleep because the very sleepy part. So we just get a room to sleep and then we'll go later. Our flight is tomorrow morning early, so it made sense to get a room. So bottle over there. And we can't sleep. So guys, it is 3:52. And we've been sitting together. It meant to go day. Like, we were just tired. And I didn't want to see what they keep getting out. But by the time we sit back on our bed, I pick up my phone, like, oh, again. And nobody messaging me. So, my phone was thinking, and I can't watch YouTube videos because I know the charts either way. And then I'll wake she up, or she up. But yeah.
She told me she moved. She got with the bed more than once, and they playing the whole time. That was so.
But yeah, so the plan right now is to leave here and try to go either to a mall or the town, but we gotta see. But we gonna go do a little shopping. Hopefully successful with that. And then we just come back and have a little movie night. Yeah, but we will see. I don't think I want to sit alone. I see too much now.
You don't actually see Trinidad. It's my first time in Trinidad.
It's my first time too. So we need this one. So I'm not getting right, but I think I'm not sure. So we see if we get in again.
I ain't trying to.
You want to sit in it? So guys, it is 8:30 and we know we went to the mall, walk about that mall so huge. We walked about and a lot of things were not open. I don't know if it's because it was Sunday. Then we had to ask the security guard for the supermarket because we needed some things. And then when we get because we like literally went to the supermarket, time we guys we just like walking and going to each out.
Like we didn't say we would return to your town.
Yeah, like we supposed to return to your town in a couple of minutes or get something to eat. So then when we left the supermarket, we asked the guard to us out with the Wi-Fi so we could get the car situation started. And when we did that, they said that it had not available, so then Elia turned it out. Not turned it out, she locked out. I went back in and then tried again, and then we got somebody. And the person that we got was so nice. So we booked it first, 5 minutes away. So we wanted to go to the mall and get something to eat. Because the other side of the mall that we were at, they closed. So you couldn't come in on that side, but the food court was like all the way on the other side. The mall. So yeah, so we did that. The man actually get there before we get to KFC, which on the other side mall. So then we asked if we could get something to eat. He was like, yeah. And then we was walking, and he was like, but it would be easier to go to drive-thru. And he was like, yeah, I know you have a problem once you get something to eat. But I don't like KFC. I'm not a fan of KFC. Y'all know how I feel with KFC. If y'all don't know me, I'm not a fan of KFC for multiple reasons. I have a list. I ordered something with side, and the woman like just excluded that and did not give me any of the sides. She didn't even add it to the ticket. So when we got the food, it wasn't there. Then they asked me about what drink we want, so we automatically got Pepsi, which me and Alice didn't get to drink yet because we left it in my car. So when we left it in my car, we was there trying to get through the heat and we couldn't get through. So then we just went eat, and then my called back and was like, y'all left your drinks, and then he bring them for us. But we already started drinking the other drinks that we bought, like snacks to snack with. And yeah, so we was outside. Like we went outside by the pool area to eat, and they was playing Spanish music, which was really good. It was a vibe over there, but it was like this bunch of men that was playing music. They didn't have music over there, but they had a boombox and it was playing this Spanish music, which made it a vibe, which was nice. And yeah, we back in hotel now. I showered and we just can sit down here, listen to some Russian music and talk a little bit till the time pass.
I will update y'all when we check out and everything. So some of me. So I'm in a mess and I'm coming to clean it up, but that's the situation right now. And before I learn from my mistake, I left to drink right there. Highly recommend. I just show they like romantic, right? But people passing and they don't like that. So I'm gonna get that too. So, we made it to Panama, and I learned I need to learn Spanish because even the man that was checking me in, a little started speaking Spanish, and this man did not use English no more. I think he spit like say something in Spanish in English, and then a little started about Spanish, and then he told me everything in Spanish. He doesn't watch you, was able to know that, but it was like a friend actually. But yeah. So, like, this was not really experience.
So, for me, it was a great experience. I didn't really get to see that so much, so that was like a, but otherwise it was a great experience. I was very comfortable and I was able to recline my seat, put my legs up, so it was very good.
Oh my god, you went to hockey shoes.
Yeah, I took hockey shoes.
And I hear this thing, I was like, and then early, they have a school, and it's much always, I'm going to hockey shoes.
And it's not well, I was very fascinated at these many, but other than that, we had breakfast and that was great. So I just love the chicken. We got the TVs,
yeah, I started watching the movie, but I started watching the movie late into the place. So I got to click the movie, but I can try to say the things because it started to get interesting.
I guys watched the movie because it was interesting. And then by the time I get up, we had to take breakfast.
I got up and I was like, I used to lazy with the child, like, yeah, this TV, right? So I didn't like to watch my movie. And the moment I should come a little up and so I said, I don't have that finish and bring like how we play everybody. And then I started watching this movie and I switched on and asked me if I want breakfast. So then I was like, yeah. And then she said, well, it's time for a muffin or something like that.
It's an egg muffin.
An egg muffin. But you don't eat egg for nobody. Not even mama don't eat egg. But I can't eat egg because I can't do nothing. But I ate turkey ham. I don't eat turkey ham either. So I eat turkey ham and tomato muffin. And I eat it because it's not the butter.
It sounds good.
It was good. And then she had food to drink. And I told her I wanted water because I just want water to I can't tell me that it's dry, but I just thirsty. But yeah, and she had pineapple juice. They had basically, and then my ears are my ears are I can't have my ears and that turbulence I think it was good because I got a good experience too. And for some reason I can't figure out what it was. I was like, that can't be real, that can't be real. It's not coming from the other ring. I was pushing the star, but they had like
get so nervous, but
It was good night. And it was sweet to lay and just like sleep. That can be because it's not a comfy space, so it's very comfortable. And they turn, they put me sit down and turn and go to sleep. And I can't really jacket. Because I asked Loma for a shoe. Like he arrived at she told me to bring on after she knows it's supposed to. So I prepared only had to like that in. We were seeing like a lot home again for sure. So because it was so cool and I didn't know they were cool and I got my jacket. Or I might wear a jacket. We will see. So that's it total. So yeah, it was a miss. The early morning. So nothing too early. So we just been chilling up.
it's almost 7 o'clock. It's minutes to 7 o'clock.
Minutes to 7, so that means it's minutes to 6 here because it's an hour behind Barbados. So yeah. Yeah, so we're gonna get back home now. What we're doing eventually we'll figure out later.
So basically, we in a bus that just came on the other side of the airport.
The airport is huge.
The airport is that you have to get to a bus to go to the other side. Meanwhile, we had to walk from the other side to get the bike because we wasn't close.